Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday the 23rd of December 2016. So we've got a sell signal here which is not correct because it was actually on the previous bar. For some unknown reason, when the chart has been reloaded this morning, it's moved up a bar to the one at, let me give you the time here, 1440. But if we look at the real time, yesterday you can see the signal is on the previous bar, short this market, and then I sent out a note after the market actually hit this, and then I'm just deleting the trade off the chart there, closed out the trade, and then sent a note to say forget the rest of the day because the market's not doing an awful lot. And that was the case. The market just traded sideways thereafter, and we're still in a sideways range here as well. In the daily charts, we've got a situation that is actually setting up beautifully. We're heading still for the 20,000 target. I still think we're going to do that before we see the market move lower, and that's going to be dependent on news. And I don't think it's going to happen before Christmas unless they do something today. But again, there's 3 p.m. We've just got revised UOM and new home sales. They are forecast to be higher, but will it be enough to actually send the market up to the 20,000 level before we have the Christmas weekend? And news-wise, again, very interesting here as well. In the VIX, that's the volatility index that is similar to the implied volatility. VIX options traders flash major warning signal. So with the VIX at multi-year lows, a 10 handle, and stocks at record highs amid Trumpian Goldman exuberance, it appears options traders in the VIX complex are anything but believers. Yes, indeed, the market is in for a major correction. And that's going to be coming shortly to a place near you, and I would suspect that's going to be, again, like we had last year, as I showed you, between Christmas New Year we'll start to see the fall off of this market, but not until it's done the 20,000 on the Dow. We'll certainly have a good go at it first before that actually happens. There's also another article on Zero Hedge about pension funds selling stock vigorously as well. And again, it's got to happen. I mean, the honeymoon period's over for Trump as far as the market's concerned. Goldman obviously are moving the markets. You only have to look at the Goldman chart to see how far this market's been pushed by the crooks at Goldman Sachs. And again, look at the volatility when it turns up here. We've got 979. You can see the market dropping sharply there as well. It's just a matter of time of when the underlying market starts to fall out of bed, and it will do. And again, if you just go back and look at this time last year when Yellen increased interest rates and how the market started to fall apart, I covered that in yesterday's Market Alert. So we're heading into the Christmas weekend. I will be here. I'm not going anywhere. I shall be back here for Monday morning as usual. It's Boxing Day, but the US markets will be open, so I'll be watching to see what goes on. So I'll report in on Tuesday after Monday's session just so that we can see if there's anything during the day, then I will let you know. But you don't need to be at the desk or anything like that. It's just that the way this is all setting up now is the perfect storm. The 20,000 has never been hit before. The implied volatility is at the lows. It's what we've been waiting for and sitting on our hands for during the last few weeks, and having to deal with the markets being sideways, and now the market's setting itself up for what, as I say, we've been waiting for a long time, and that's a big correction coming in this market. Everything is setting up here in order to do this. Again, I can't give you the date or time, but you get Christmas out of the way like we did last year, and they can't keep pushing this market up on fresh air. That's not going to happen for much longer, not with the volatility levels being where they currently are. Right, that's it for me for today and also for this week. So we're wishing you all the very best for the Christmas celebrations this weekend, and I will see you in Tuesday's market alert. As ever, thanks for your support during this year as well, and during what's been a difficult trading period over the last month, but the things are about to change, so this is our sort of Christmas present, as it were, going forward. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.